Hello guys and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to create shapes, different shapes in the Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Let's open Photoshop and here is our project, and right here in the tools you may find down here there is the rectangle tool, and there are also many other tools. There is the rounded rectangle tool, there is the ellipse tool. I want to create this rectangle, and for example I want it like this, and I want its fill to be as it is. For me, I want to change the fill from here and change the stroke from here. For example, I want it to have a black stroke and have greater. And yeah, as you can see, now I created a shape. Let's create a circle, for example. This is ellipse, as you can see. And yeah, the same settings, same thing, you can change them from here. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very simple guide. Hope you guys, if you have any questions, write down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.